I enjoy most about ABWM is the community. I think that women is necessary. We're made for community. I think all people are made for community, and I think ABWM provides that intentional space for women to gather, to connect, to share resources, to empower one another, to know one another, to get mentorship. So to me, that's the strongest and most powerful thing about ABWM. It means being an intentional space for women to thrive, and not just in their spiritual lives, but also in the world. And so being knowledgeable about what's impacting women and girls, and doing something about it. So being action oriented, and also giving women and girls the resources that they need to empower themselves and advocate for themselves. Yeah, I think all of my work with the AB girls is very memorable, working with the NLT, and watching them put on their own events and watching them own their own ministries is very powerful. Watching them come out of their shells and share their gifts is also very memorable. I remember my first high esteem event that I led as Associate Executive Director, just watching the girls explore STEM and do the various workshops of like creating perfume and fragrances and body oils was really, really powerful. So just watching girls thrive and being a little piece of that is my greatest memory. BWM is one of the only American Baptist organizations that specifically target women and girls, whose mission is around women and girls. And I want ABWM to thrive and to continue being what it is in our denomination. I believe in the leadership of ABWM, and we can't do this work without resources. So